finally, after 6.5 months, we managed to make 15,000 kilometers. Now it's time for service. They told us after 15 kilometers or once per year we have to make service, but we made this 15 kilometers right after 6.5 months, not after 1 year. Anyway, next week we will go for servicing to check the status of the car. But here in Patras there is no service, there is no dedicated service for electric cars. They will just look a little bit how it looks like, and maybe they will call in Athens to ask if they have to check anything. Anyway, I will keep you updated. Hello, today is the service day. We will go directly to leave the car to service center, let's say. But this service center is mostly for fossils. They don't know what to do to EVs. They will make phone calls or I don't know what they will do. And probably they will just look at it. Then they will say, oh, okay, it's fine. Okay, we'll see. Okay, the app is waiting. I hope so they will call me soon for the service. This is mostly Volkswagen and Audi service center, but it's fossil service center. I don't know if you can see. It's there. Anyway, I told them to replace, if it's possible, the halogen light to LED, and to change the tires from the back to the front, just to have a similar degradation. And I don't know, they will probably look if it's nice. We'll see. I will let you know. Hello. We're just moving from the service center. It was very interesting. First of all, they called Athens. They told me to come after another 15,000 kilometers. So that means after another 6-7 months. And after this time they will just change the cabin filter and nothing more. I asked them to change the wheels, to put the front wheels back and the back wheels front in order to have a better traction, or to use the tires better, to have worn equally. And he told me that I check every screw of the car, and I adjust a little bit the handbrake to have better traction, let's say. Generally, he told me that you have to pay 15 euros only 15 euros. That's it. And I said, yes, that's it, 15 euros? Yes, 15 euros. And next appointment next year. So, this was pretty interesting. very nice. After 1500 kilometers you have to pay only 15 euros for service. 15, not 15, not 50, 15. It's incredible. Perfect choice. I asked them if anyone else interested for electric. They told me a lot of people are interested, but no one is buying because it looks expensive for them. I told them it's really not so expensive because after 4 or 5 years you have your money back. Anyway, I guess the service experience was pretty good. I recommend it to anyone because even if you don't pay for service, so if you have an ice car, you should change the oil, engine oil for every 5,000 or 10,000 kilometers. That there is cost minimum 30 euros, I don't know, something like this. Anyway, I guess this was it for now. See you again at the next one. Bye. Yes.
You see what?